Top 10 most beautiful lakes on Earth. The Malisani Cave Lake is one of the natural wonders of Greece, located in Kefalonia Island. The Malisani Cave was formed by dissolution of rocks and water enter into the cavities. The continuous action of water over rocks result in the formation of hollows and underground lake millions of years ago. The Malisani Cave Lake contains both sea and fresh water and has a depth of 20 to 30 meters. There is also a large opening in the roof of Malisani Cave. At noontime, the striking of direct sunlight in the turquoise waters create a magical illumination in the whole cave. Many artifacts and a number of figures of nymphs by archaeologists during excavations back in 1951 from the small island in the lake. There are also many stalactite formations inside the Malisani Cave. The Plitvice Lakes National Park is a World Heritage Site and the most popular tourist attraction of Croatia. This incredible national park comprises woodlands, lakes, caves and waterfalls in a vast area of 300 square kilometers. It is the deposition of minerals result in the formation of natural dams that separate the lakes, and this process still continue. Out of 20 stunning lakes, 16 are interconnected by a series of waterfalls. The mixing of mineral also offers brilliant turquoise coloration to the lakes of Plitvice National Park. The color of the lakes also changes in accordance with the number of minerals in the water. The breathtakingly beautiful Peyto Lake is located at an elevation of 1,860 meters in the Canadian Rockies. Peyto Lake is a part of Banff National Park, the oldest national park in Canada. The waters of this glacier-fed lake display a bright turquoise color. It is a result of the mixing of rock flour in water that flows from Peyto Glacier. The visitors can get the best view of Peyto Lake from the Bow Summit Trail in Icefields Parkway Highway. Around the lake, you can see majestic mountains, deep valleys, and beautiful flowers. The magnificent Baikal Lake, located in southeastern Siberia, is the oldest and deepest freshwater lake in the world. It formed around 25 to 30 million years ago and has a depth of 1.6 kilometers. The crescent-shaped lake stretches more than 636 kilometers from north to south and contains 20% of the world's unfrozen freshwater. Lake Baikal is also home to 2,500 species of animals and 100 species of plants. Most of these unusual freshwater faunas are found only at Lake Baikal. Considering the rich biodiversity, UNESCO recognized Lake Baikal as a World Heritage Site in 1996. Lake Baikal is also surrounded by mountains, boreal forests, tundra and islands. The Five-Flower Lake is regarded as the pride of Jiuzhaigou National Park in northern Sichuan of China. There are 108 multicolored lakes in the Jiuzhaigou National Park, and the Five-Flower Lake look more colorful and beautiful. This shallow lake reflects different colors including azure blue, dark green and light yellow. The magical coloration of Five-Flower Lake suit to the mineral deposit, algae and aquatic plants. There also can see many ancient tree trunks through crystal clear waters of the Five-Flower Lake. During the fall, the color of surrounding forest changes to yellow, light orange and red. It makes a spectacular view in the Jiuzhaigou National Park. The magnificent Maligne Lake located in Jasper National Park of Alberta is the largest glacial lake of the Canadian Rockies. The 22 kilometers long Maligne Lake, famed for vivid blue-colored water. The surreal site also comprises ice-capped mountains, 3 glaciers and popular Spirit Island. The tiny Spirit Island, surrounded by the brilliant colored waters of Maligne Lake, makes pure photogenic nature. Spirit Island is also one of the most photographed islands in the world. The Spirit Island, also regarded as a symbol of the Canadian Rockies. Lake Mansarovar is the highest freshwater lake in the world. This holy lake is located in western Tibet, about 4,590 meters above sea level. Lake Mansarovar is also one of the important pilgrimage centers of Buddhists and Hindus. According to Hindu tradition, Mansarovar was created by Lord Brahma, and waters of this lake have the power to bring salvation. The Lake Mansarovar is also considered as an epitome of purity. The Lake Mansarovar is almost in round shape and has a circumference of 88 kilometers. Around the shores, the water is in clear blue color, and in the center the color changes to deeper green. The crystal clear waters of Lake Mansarovar brings mirror-like reflection of Mount Kailash, and that view is just unbelievable.
I'm just sitting here, I got time, it's clear to see.
The beautiful Dal Lake in Srinagar city is referred to as jewel in the crown of Kashmir. The 3 sides of this Himalayan urban lake are surrounded by ice-capped mountains. The 15 kilometers long shoreline of Dal Lake is lined lush gardens. These attractive gardens, built by Mughal era, also intensify the beauty of Dal Lake. The Dal Lake is also the second largest lake in Jammu and Kashmir, with an area of 22 square kilometers.
Forever free. Sometimes you need to go and take a step back.
The Lake Pijo is one of the most beautiful tourist attractions in Patagonia of Chile. It is located in spectacular Torres del Paine National Park in southern Chile. Pijo Lake is famed for its turquoise water and beautiful surroundings. The lake is fed by Paine River and linked to Northern Shirled Lake. The site also has abundant wildlife, world-class trekking routes, glaciers and magnificent forests.
Forever free, you and me, meant to be in the great outdoors. Forever free.
The Lake Matheson is one of the most scenic locations in New Zealand. It is located in southwestland of New Zealand, a few kilometers near the popular Fox Glacier. Matheson Lake is known for offering a stunning mirror view of 2 highest peaks of New Zealand called Mount Cook and Mount Tasman. The brown-colored water of the lake actually results in its reflecting property. The unusual color of Matheson Lake is due to draining of organic matters from the nearby ancient forest.